How to grow on social media. 7 ways to grow your social media following today. Did you know the average person spends 100 minutes each day watching videos online? Respond to and engage with your audience. This is the alpha and omega of growing a loyal audience. Try to see your followers as not only a number which you're aiming to grow but as relationships you need to maintain. People want to be seen and heard, and interaction and meaningful conversation become more and more important. Make it a habit replying to comments and responding to messages. You'll host a competition. These are a lot of smart ways to engage and grow your audience. Hosting a contest, just one of them. The good thing about having a competition is that there are so many clever little ways to make it a win and win for you and your followers. Choose images and titles wisely. Your cover photos and profile photos are the elements that get the most exposure on your social profile. In light of this, why not use these to lowercase your work, or even highlights the products or services that you offer on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Customize your content for each platform. When it comes to content and different platforms, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation we've got on our hands. How you do things for YouTube will be completely different to, say, Instagram or TikTok. Use tags and hashtags smartly. Hashtags are a great way to be found and seen, but also to take part in trends and stay engaged in the community. If you are lacking inspiration or feel a bit out of the loop, check out hashtags.org or hashtagify.ml to find ones that are relevant to your audience and your content. Consider investing in paid social. It can be a really good investment to spend a bit of money on paid social promotions and advertisements. If done right, paid ads can not only grow your audience but also enhance the number of conversations while helping you target a greater number of people. Create surveys and polls. Surveys and polls are a great way to both engage and activate your audience, and a good trick to learn more about them. What do they like? What were their reactions to your latest campaign? What are their opinions in certain topics? If you want to know what your followers are thinking, just ask them.